Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I am doing a Dollar Tree haul. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. I thank you to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the Queen's Court. And thank you to all my people that come on it no matter what I put up. Thank you so much. Thank you to all of my wonderful queens and kings. Thank you so much. So let's get started. First up, I have this cooling facial roller, stainless steel. This looked like it's going to be so nice. And that was $1.25. Okay. Looks really good. Good. Ooh, that feels good already to the face. Okay. Alright, so yes, I got this here. That was $1.25. I picked up 2 of these table turners by Shore Fresh. Okay, very nice. You can put your seasonings on here. You can put your perfume on here, on your dresser. Wherever you want to put this would be so nice. I absolutely love these. I got 2. Okay, I got 2 of them. Got 2 of those. And also from Essentials, I got 3 of these, y'all. I'm going to use these on my cocoa bar. Stuff is dusty. Use these on my cocoa bar. You can put your wines in here. I don't drink, so yeah, I would put like my the cans of coffee drinks that I get from the Dollar Tree. They have pumpkin spice, they have peppermint mocha, I think it is, and they have vanilla. But anyway, that's what I would use mine for. I see people doing a whole lot with these here, so yeah. I also got this spinach creamy hot dip mix. I want to try this from Continental Chef. Creamy spinach hot dip mix, and it expires January 2026. Okay, so I got that. I also picked up this, y'all. These here are so nice. These storage bags, they are huge. Okay, I may not be able to open them up on camera because it's way bigger than I already have some. I bought 2 of these, and I've been on a search for them and can't find them all. These are huge. Real big. It opens up big. It has the things on the side where you can, you know, really nice. I love it. And I don't know how much you can see of that, but yeah. I got 2 of those. Very nice. Okay. I also found the Bella J Blush Eyeshadow Kit. So cute. These are the these are the blushes. Isn't that cute though? Okay, got that. You have Wild Rose, Classic Coral, Dusty Peony, and Blushing Berry. And you have, on the second row, you have the eyeshadows. You got Sand, Sunkiss, Murray, Express, Boxy Brown, and Primrose. Yes, absolutely love that. So nice. Dollar Tree is coming out with some really nice, you know, little palettes and stuff. You know, I'm looking for some more. But yes, this is really nice. I found a couple more, but that's in another haul. I also picked up Sassy and Chic. I believe this is a repeat. These small facial cloths, okay, for $1.25. They're like little discs, and you open them, you know, put them on water, and they open up. Yeah, I take these on my job. You can use these for other things as well. Take these on my job, you know, like if I need to wet my hands, I can keep a couple of them in the car. You know what I'm saying? So, yes, you can use these for your face, you know, get your makeup off and stuff like that there, I believe. But, yes, okay, like that. Also picked up this here cosmetic bag. Really nice. You know I love the purple. Very nice on the inside. Okay. So that's really nice. And I'm going in whatever I see here. That's what I'm picking up, okay? Alright, we got the pasta zane. Barbell, I forgot I had these, y'all. Pasta. Yes, it's PBA free pouch, microwave 60 seconds, simply delicious, fully cooked, no artificial colors or flavors, informed plant-based, 100% natural ingredients, certified by whatever, no GMO, kosher, and halal. So yeah, you got all that going on. All right. June 6, 2026 is the expiration date. You can see, and I've had the spaghetti. This is really good. This is really, really good. I like this, okay? So, yeah. I'll probably fix that tonight. And I also picked up, I have another one of these. I don't know where it is. It might be in the bag. But anyway, I picked up the Clay and Gel face mask by Global Beauty Care. I like their products, y'all. They have some nice. You have clay, deep sea minerals, and charcoal. Okay? So I thought that was really good, you know, for your facials, you know, because me and my daughter, you know, she's getting me back into remembering taking care of my face. So I thank God for her. You know, yeah, so every time I turn around, she got on a clay face or a peel off or whatever, because I buy this stuff all the time. Okay, and I also picked up the foot spa kit. Okay, I picked this up. It has the foot scrub, the foot mask, and the foot lotion, because I'm always soaking my feet, but I think I'm going to invest in me a spa foot tub. I had one years ago, but they stopped selling them at the thrift store when the pandemic was going on, but I need to stop by there and see if they have, you know, the foot spas, because I love that. You know, I like to pamper myself at home. Yeah, so I picked this up. I'm excited to use that. And I picked up these berry scented bath bombs. Y'all, I don't use bath bombs because I don't take baths. I can't get down in the tub and get back up because of arthritis, okay? So, what I do is use these in my foot bath, okay? That just looks yummy to me. That looks yummy to me, yes. $1.25. That looks good. Like, you can just put these, like, get a lot of these and put these, like, in a basket. You put in your bathroom, you know, to make it look so cute, because they have so many different bath bombs. I think they had 2 different flavors of this, scents of this. Yeah, so that's cute. And I also got this here, the Coco Land Gumball Field Slam Dunk. Something to use on my desk to kill time sometimes. You know, just put it on my desk and drop it up there and just play the game. You know, you can also get some little balls after the gum is gone. You know. But I would just use this just to play the game. I wouldn't eat those gumballs. No, that's too hard. Okay, so I also picked up, this is repeat, y'all. I buy these all the time. I love these. These are so, so nice. I absolutely love these by Yardley. And they smell good and they're nice and thick. Very thick. I also picked up some Swiss Miss marshmallow Cocoa. Okay, I got that. And the expiration date on this is June 15, 2026. Okay, so I got that. Getting ready for my cocoa bar. I also picked up me a hat. Okay, you can get these, and I got the gloves to go with it. So yeah, and these right here, you can use these, you know, for your if you using your phone, you can use these. They say so, yeah, because they have like this, like missing the fur right here on that finger. So I got that. And they have the tags where you can pull the tags off and get them. Okay, so I got the hat and the gloves. So soft. I also picked up, bam, this is so cute. When I seen these, it was 2 of them. And I got the 2 that they had. Because I've been searching for this stuff. I'm in a Dollar Tree mostly every day. So, you know, I hit several Dollar Trees. And, yeah, this was so cute. I didn't want to open this one because this one I'm going to give, but I opened the other one. But these brushes feel so nice and soft. Now, these brushes are nice. And it has the leopard print. I love the leopard print, y'all. Yes, love the leopard print. Okay. And we picked up some of these. Got some of these. These are going to be gifted. Okay, I got lime green. I got navy blue. And I got the pink. $1.25, y'all. These are really nice to be good gifts because I like to give out gifts and stuff for Christmas to the people in my church and stuff like that. Yeah, the kids. I picked up a pair of these socks. I really wanted the brown ones to say "Oh Snap," but I got this one. Okay, I thought that was so cute. By BFNY Holiday Socks. This is a 9-13. It look like that. Gingerbread, I love it. And I also picked up the LA Colors Liquid Eyeshadow. I love to put the liquid eyeshadow on, or like the creamy eyeshadow on, you know. I like those as well. Yes. And the color is Stardust. Okay. Color is Stardust. I also picked up facial serum. Yes, I'm excited to use this too. Vitamin C facial serum, anti-aging skin repair serum. Illuminate, smooth, and enchant. Let's see. Comes like this here. It's for your face. And, yeah. It's no color or nothing like that. It's just clear, but, you know, it's got the adapter. But yeah, I got that. And I also picked up these moisturizing aloe vera facial cleansing wipes for my face to take off my makeup at night. Okay. I also picked up cocoa butter. I love these too. Cleansing wipes. Okay. Love those. They work real well. And I picked up, I love these, y'all, because I use these on my job. It's just so much, it doesn't take up a lot of room. I use these in my car and in my bedroom. I have one over there, but that one I'm running out, so this one goes over there. And I keep one in my car, $1.25, real nice, very nice. Love them. I picked up Downy Fresh Protect with Febreze Eau de Defense April Fresh Scent. Love these. I wish they would bring those back to the Dollar Tree. I mean, if I had known they wasn't going to keep doing them, I would have gotten me a tons of them because they smell so good. They smell just like the, I can't remember the name of it. I'm not going to sit up here and try to remember. Okay, I got the eyeliner and makeup tool. Yes, it helps with eyeliner guide, mascara guard, liquid lipstick guard. You know, it does so much. And it's a cream applicator. You can, you know, pick up your stuff from there. You do your eyes and stuff with this. Very nice. Very nice. Y'all, I seen this in the store the other day. I was like, yes. Put a lid on it by Great Sense. Okay? Y'all even got the travel size now. Isn't that nice? Yes. And this is in the tropical hibiscus. I'm going to put this in my work bag. Yes, because I try to keep a lot of stuff like that in the bathroom. But this is staying in my pocketbook. So, you know, when you go out to the stores, or even when I go to the bathroom, I'll take it with me. Because I usually keep one in there. When the other bottles, the round ones, yeah. But we done ran it out. I usually like to keep it stocked at work. But this is nice. A personal thing you can use. Oh, my goodness. And I have one more item, y'all. And that will be it. I bought the Sure Fresh, y'all. I was trying my best to find these when they had them out before with the, you know, with the scoop. Very nice. And they close tight, too. That's what I like, because that's what's going to keep your stuff fresh when it's tight, really. You know? You hear that? Yes, very nice. Love this. And, you know, this scoop. But they say the scoop is kind of big. It is kind of big for this, though. It does look like it. But anyway, it was nice to find this. I love it. And I am happy about it. Yes. So, yeah. Please. Thank you so much again. Remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you. Until I see you on the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I love to have you. Also, click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. God bless you all. Love you. Have a blessed and marvelous day. Mwah.